Hey everyone! Welcome back to Techful Things YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable WhatsApp call notifications directly from your phone's settings. No more unwanted interruptions. Let's get started. WhatsApp calls can be useful, but they can also be distracting, especially during work, gaming, or watching videos. Instead of muting all notifications, you can disable only call alerts using your phone's settings. Open your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap Apps or Apps and Notifications on some devices. Find and select WhatsApp from the list. Tap Notifications. Look for the Calls section. Toggle off call notifications to disable them completely. And that's it. Now you won't be interrupted by WhatsApp calls anymore. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you in the next one.